Hi there, students. Tribulation, tribulations, a noun, both countable and uncountable, very often in the plural as well. You could even have a verb, to tribulate. Okay, a tribulation is a problem, a difficulty. Particularly in this phrase, the trials and tribulations. So, the trials and tribulations of life, the troubles and events in life that cause suffering. Yeah, the trials and tribulations of marriage, the trials and tribulations of our modern world. Yeah, the trials and tribulations of work. Yeah. Okay, so a tribulation is a problem, a difficulty, yeah, something that you've got to get over. Yeah, the trials and tribulations of love. Oh, yeah. Okay, so a tribulation is an adversity, yeah, a period of difficulties. Okay, so the things that tribulate us may seem minor to other people, but tribulations, various difficulties, hardships, problems, very often tribulations, they test our courage or our endurance or our resolve. So they kept trying to wear me down and trying to get me to give up by giving me various tribulations. Yeah. Whenever I go out with him, all he does is moan about his tribulations. Yeah, he just goes on and on about the tribulations of his job. The trials and tribulations. She's always talking about the trials and tribulations of being with her boyfriend. If it's that difficult, I think she should dump him. Yeah? Okay, so a tribulation, a cause of trouble, of great trouble, of suffering. The tribulations of fame. Yeah? Okay, a time of the tribulations that we had at the beginning were minor compared to the real problems we had later on. So a tribulation, a trouble, a worry, an anxiety, a burden, an ordeal, an affliction. Yeah. There are tribulations with everything in modern life, I believe. Tribulations are part of being human. Okay, yeah. So, sorrow, difficulty, misfortune. Yeah, the tribulations or the trials and tribulations of everyday life. Boy, what a pain. Yeah, tribulations, problems, things that are a test of our endurance, that not to give up, of our strength, of our will to win, of our will to go on. Yeah, well, life is, I think, designed for tribulations. Okay, let's see. Formality. I think it sounds a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit biblical. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Although I think the phrase trials and tribulations, as a phrase in itself, it's probably a bit of a cliche, but I think you could probably use it anywhere. Okay, so tribulation, 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. I think it sounds great in something literary, or you could even use it very formally as well. To tribulate, the verb, I didn't give you an example. The things that tribulate our lives are often very petty and minor. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, tribulare, to press, or to thresh grain. When you harvest seeds, you need to separate the outside skin from the inside, and that's quite a hard thing to do. So you use you use what was a tribulum, Yeah, in Latin, it's like a thing with sharp teeth on the bottom to get it out. And I guess one of the tribulations of being a farmer is actually doing that. Okay, so tribulations, problems, the trials and tribulations of speaking good English, of learning good English. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tribulation.